these white lies got me hypnotized. Get out of my head, get into my bed, I'm broken. It's only a matter of time, shifting my paradigms. You harm me, you hurt me, I'm sinking and drowning, and I don't deserve it. Your heart is frozen, the water is rising and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're missing on me and I'm just a drop in the ocean. I'm guilty of loving you. I'm guilty of loving you. I'm a drop in the ocean. I'm a drop in the ocean. You pick me up and pull me down, hold me up so I don't drown. Got your head up in the clouds, nothing left of us now. Your heart is frozen, the water is rising and I'm just a drop in the ocean. Falling, slow motion. You're missing on me and I'm just a drop in the ocean. I'm guilty of loving you. 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 I only know what you put me through. I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way. What message are you trying to send? What's this game you play? Tell me that you love me and you need me, but leave me out to dry. Oh, why? Oh, why? Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Could you still call me at the end of the day when you have nothing else to say? What do you want me to say? Try blending my words, that's all I know you got to be. I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this.
You fade away as you fade. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to